Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Beauty Bay Sunset Horizons eyeshadow palette. The palette retails for $15 and is available on the Beauty Bay website. The palette features 20 shades that are a mix of 14 mattes, 4 shimmers, and 2 metallics. The palette also features a decent sized mirror and is extremely travel friendly because of its size. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. Since there are 20 shades in this palette, I won't be giving you any shade descriptions, that way the video isn't longer than what it needs to be. I'll just be giving you my thoughts on the palette as I do the swatches. I used my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. All the shades had an absolutely amazing pigmentation and slight fallout and little kickback in the pans. The shimmer shades felt creamy and majority of the mattes felt buttery with the exception of a few. I absolutely love the quality of these shadows, and at first some of these shades didn't make sense to me, but once I swatched them side by side, it is the perfectly curated palette. The price point of only costing $15 along with the execution of this palette has me completely inspired. Even if you do have these shades in your collection, I do still believe it is well worth having them. Even with some of the shimmers that are the same consistency as the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, which I despised, I love how well they applied. I do want to mention that some of these shades aren't intended for the immediate eye area, but unfortunately Beauty Bay doesn't determine or state which ones are which. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Familiar faces, prolong the embraces. We were all